Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get 100% battery health on iPhone. So I'm going to go to settings and show you guys my battery health right now. So let me just go ahead and go in there, and as you can see, my battery health is 84%. So I'm going to show you how to get that back to 100, guys. It's super crazy. So what you want to do is go to the site appwizard.vip. This website has a bunch of modded apps, modded games, and it has an app that's going to allow us to get ourselves back to 100% battery. So let me just go to the site here. So once you're on the website, guys, you want to look for a specific app. This site has a bunch of modded apps. You can see it's called Maxi Battery. So press Get. You can read all about it, and you just want to press Get in blue. And then it will install a configuration profile onto your device. So you just want to go ahead and press Allow, then press Close. Then all you have to do is go ahead and open up Settings to install the profile. So go to Settings, and once you're in Settings, guys, what you want to do is go ahead and download the profile into your device. So let me just open up the app and show you guys how you would do that. So once you're in settings, you're going to see the profile downloaded message at the top. You can also go to general, down to profiles, find the profile, press install, install again, install in red, go to your home screen, press done, and now you'll see Maxi Battery. So let's open the app and get ourselves working on 100% battery life. So as you can see, guys, here's the app, and it says fixed battery health, so just press that. And basically, guys, you're going to have to do a quick verification. All you have to do is download 2 of these apps and just complete the instructions. Now, these are completely free. They're from the official App Store, and downloading these apps and running them, guys, is basically going to allow the app to fully work and get you back to 100% battery health. So I'm going to do this app, Crypto, as my first one. These apps are completely free. You do not have to buy anything in them. So I'm going to do State of Survival as the other app. It's going to take me over to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download it. So now I'm just going to go to my home screen and give it a minute for both these apps to download. They're pretty small, so I'm honestly not expecting a long wait time. So let's just go to our home screen and check it out. So as you can see, the Crypto app downloaded. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. And all I have to do, guys, is just stay in the app. Some of them might have specific instructions they want you to complete, but you'll never be asked to buy anything. They're all completely free. So I'm just going to go ahead and touch around with the app. It's very basic, guys. As long as you're interacting, you should be good to go. So as you can see, I'm literally just touching around with the buttons, and that is counting as human interaction and completing the human verification. So I'm just going to keep going at it right here. As you guys can see, it's really easy to do this, guys. In my opinion, I've never had any difficulty with this step. So this is super crazy, guys. As you can see, so now I'm going to do the other app, which is the State of Survival. Now this one's a game, but it's the same deal. I'm literally just going to touch around with the app, press the buttons, do the basic interactions, and I should be good to go. So let's just give it a minute for this to go ahead and load, as you guys can see. And it's just a basic game, guys, like a building game. So I literally just touch around with the map and stuff and the different buttons. And then the Maxi Battery should work its magic and get us back to 100% battery health. So let me just go ahead and touch around here. As you guys can see, really easy with this trick. It's super awesome. So I'm literally just touching around, basic interactions, guys. Very, very simple to do. So I'm just going to go at it for a bit, as you guys can see. All right, just building stuff, whatever. You do not have to be a pro at whatever game or app you download. You literally just have to interact with it. So anyways, guys, now that we're done, let's see if it works. So this is super cool. I can't believe it actually works, guys. So anyways, let's go ahead and open settings and see if our battery health went back to 100, or if it is still 84. So let's go to battery, let's click on battery health, and as you can see, it is 100. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really hope it helps you. Definitely give this a try, get the word out about this method. It's super awesome, and I can't believe that you can actually do this. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.